It's not the most organized under here, and we're gonna fix that. And now it is time to clean out the refrigerator. Look, it's sparkling. And here's the after. Okay, so I'm going outside. I don't have a stick or anything to measure. The only thing I have is like a for like sewing, so it's flimsy. It's not like a ruler or anything like that. So I just have a spoon, and we're gonna see if the snow swallows this. Like, it's just so crazy. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh! Like there's not even a step down. The snow's just right there. Oh gosh, it's cold. Okay, I gotta figure out a way to hold you guys better. Okay, let's see. Let's watch my feet if they sink. Ready? It does. Okay, I'm not going any further. This is ridiculous. Yeah, that's ground. So it comes up to, yeah. I'm gonna say what, 10 inches? 8-10 inches? I'll have to go get my thing and measure. Okay, so here's the spoon, and if we go, yeah, about 9 inches, and this is centimeters, so let's see, 23 centimeters. Wow. It's like a car wash, but snow. Thank you, Scrubbing Bubbles. I can finally relax and have my coffee. So I am about to go outside, and I've got my broom. I'm gonna try and get all the stuff off the car. And yes, I'm still in my flip-flops, and I'm in a skirt, so this should be interesting. But with the broom, you know, I feel like I should like be like, you know, like a witch. I don't know if you can see. You can't see it. Oh well. Okay, here we go. I'm not looking forward to the cold. Oh, the wind's blowing so bad. Ugh. Oh my gosh. And look behind the car. Like, we do not have a shovel. Oh shit. Oh, that did not work. In fact, it bent my broom. We're stuck here, guys. Like, we cannot go anywhere. Wow. Not until the snow melts.